All right, time to take a look at the NUKied ANC A999 wireless headphones. Ooh, that's actually a really nice case. Pretty cool. Okay. Wow. So these have some very nice soft cushiony material on here. I can tell already these are going to be comfortable to wear. I do like that they got them labeled left and right so I know exactly how they go on. We also have more of that cushion all the way up the headband, so that's awesome. And these are adjustable, which is going to be good for me because I have a fairly large head. Now this is something I like to see. On most headphones with active noise canceling, for some reason they use it as a push button and you never really know when it's on or when it's off. But this, it's an actual switch. So you can turn this thing off, turn it on, no matter what. If you leave that switch in the same spot, you're always going to have the same setting. That I really like. We got a USB-C port here on the bottom. We got what looks like a power light or maybe a pairing light. We have power play and mute. We also have volume up and volume down. And we have our good old 3.5 jack. So if you prefer wired connection, you can actually do that with this. And it says here, this is good for 50 hours. That is pretty cool looking. That is nice. So we have a carabiner. We've got our instruction manual. It's actually full color, so that's nice. HiFi audio file. We actually have a capped 3.5 to 3.5 jack. So that's nice. USB-A to USB-C cord. And we have this really soft carrying case. That is, what is that material? I don't know what it is, but it's very lightweight and very soft. So definitely premium material. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. So the blue light is flashing. Let's go ahead and see if that's on our phone. Okay, so on Bluetooth it is listing as the A999, so I'll click on that. Okay, we are connected. Wow, okay, so that actually surprisingly sounds pretty good. I've played with a lot of headphones. This one actually reproduces sound fairly well. Now, the ANC is currently off. I'm going to turn the ANC on. Okay, so now it's on, and yeah, I can tell immediately that just me talking has gotten considerably quieter. It's not completely silent, it's much reduced. So let's see if that makes it any more muddy. So far, 100% of the time, ANC on reduces the quality of the sound. Makes it a little bit more muddy, so let's try that. Okay, so it's actually not that bad. Now, it's not completely perfect. I usually use ANC for things like where I just want to be by myself. I want to completely eliminate all the sound around me. Now, it doesn't completely make everything quiet, but there are 3 modes, so I'm going to adjust that now. So with ANC on, so it's currently on, I'm going to press the power button for 3 seconds, and that will change the level. Okay, so now we're on 3. Let's see what happens now. Test, 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 test. Okay, so there is a little bit more loss. The higher the level of the noise canceling, the lower the quality of the sound. But again, I just use this for drowning out all of the sound that's around me. As far as the noise canceling goes, I would still call this mediocre because, like, if I knock on things, I can still hear it. But it definitely is an improvement over the normal natural ambient sound. I think the thing that makes these headphones stand out the most is definitely going to be the audio reproduction quality. So if I turn ANC off and I just want to listen to the music as it's intended, these produce very good sound. And they're also extremely comfortable. One thing I want to check, just because I find that Bluetooth is never quite as good as plugged in. I want to see what these sound like when they're actually plugged in. So there is no depreciation in the Bluetooth over the wired connection, so you can use whichever you prefer, and it's going to sound exactly the same. So yeah, overall, those are some very nice headphones.